Hi, welcome to New Student Orientation. My name is Kara High, and I am the school certifying official over here at the Department of Military and Veterans Services. We are located in Eielson, room 104. We are here Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. As you can see, our phone number is there and our emails. Email is always the best way to get a hold of us. The mission of the Department of Military and Veterans Services is dedicated to providing comprehensive support to all military-affiliated and veteran students in an atmosphere of respect for their loyal service to our nation. These are the different programs that we do certify. We typically will see most often Chapter 33 and Chapter 35. Chapter 31 is also very popular here at the university. Our process is a little bit different than other universities you may have attended. We do require that you submit a certification request form every semester after you have registered. This authorizes me to go in and use your benefits to certify your courses. We ask that you give us 10 working days from the time that you turn it in until the time that it's processed, and that is for all issue-free certifications. If you have turned your certification request form in and 10 days have passed, please feel free to ask, but most likely it just means I'm falling a little behind. The certification must be returned in by the first day of class in order for us to guarantee that it will be certified by the fee payment deadline. You can complete this form either on our website using the DocuSign version, which comes directly to our email, or you can do a PDF version and email it to me, or you can stop in the office and fill it out in person. If you make any changes after your initial certification has happened, you will need to fill out a certification adjustment form. This is for if you have added any classes, dropped any classes, even if you've only changed a section within the class, you will need to fill one of these forms out. This form is also used anytime that you apply for graduation and would like to be reimbursed for the $50 graduation fee. Again, it can be completed via DocuSign, PDF, or in person. And you can find all of our forms on our website at the Department of Military and Veterans Services. It's www.uaf.edu/veterans/. And all of those forms are listed under our educational benefits. A couple of important things once you have been certified is the difference between a punitive grade and a non-punitive grade. A non-punitive grade is a no basis grade, which means basically you didn't do enough work to even get a failing grade. A withdrawal after the drop add period, if the faculty withdraws you, if you take an incomplete, or if you take a deferred grade. All of these non-punitive grades can end up with a very large VA debt. So before you make any of these decisions, please contact our office and let us talk with you about your different options and what can be done for these things. A punitive grade is any grade like a C in some cases, D, or an F. It's a grade that affects your GPA. The VA says that if you traditionally fail a class or you don't get a passing grade for that course, we can recertify that course, and the VA will pay for it again until you get that passing grade. This has a negative effect on your GPA, but it does not have a negative effect on your wallet. If you do an adjustment during the drop period, then there's no debt. You have those first 2 weeks to add and drop as many classes, and there's no penalty whatsoever. But after the add drop period, no matter what the university may offer you, the VA will tell you that a non-punitive grade has been assigned and that there will be a debt assigned for it as well. So again, before you make any decision to drop a class or add a class after the add drop period, please contact our office so that we can discuss that with you. Also, keep in mind that if the faculty withdraws you, that can also end up with a VA debt. A lot of times instructors will think that they can help save your GPA by withdrawing you, and they don't realize that you're using a VA benefit and that causes you a financial burden. So please make sure that you're in communication with your faculty. Make sure that you are in communication with our office regarding any kind of add or drop. Like I said, once again, we are located in room 104. Our main office phone number is 907-474-7400, and we are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. for all of your questions. Thank you.